Good job, Mr. Burke. You're working too hard, too fast. Forgot your keys. Keep up the good work. Now you go. Person in the truck, face each other, pick up the sheet, we swing it up, turn, no, one more time, ready? So, point your hand on the bottom of the sheet, see, get up, swing it up, turn towards the board, this person in the front, turn, and then carry it so you're not walking backwards. Here we go. All right, we're doing it. Tool crib renovation. All right, taking these cabinets, original cabinets out of here. Nothing but a mouse haven. Clean this up. What? Huh? All right, so it was a busy day today. The shop looked like a hurricane was blowing through. We blew it up, right? We took everything out of the tool crib. Jenny, what'd you do today for us?
I cleaned the shop.
A lot of cleaning, a lot of sweeping and cleaning. Good job. All right, how about you guys?
We ripped the plywood and laid out the thing for shelving, put the cleats on, squared it, and now we're assembling it.
All right, so this was a one-period job so far, and this shelving unit will be done tomorrow for sure, and it's going to go into our storage area. We're trying to clean up that area, right? So while the guys were doing the tiny house, you guys had a little extra time, and here we are. Hey, good job. Nice job. Dave, throughout the shop, and you guys, what did you guys have to do today?
We put up the fascia. Okay.
All right, so what's it include putting it up? You gotta measure it.
Yeah, we gotta measure it. We gotta find the angle.
Find your angles.
And then screw it in.
Run it through the table saw. Come on, what do you? You say put it up. It doesn't sound like a lot, right? It's some work. You have to lay it out for the height above and below, right? All right, good job.
Yeah.
How about you guys who did the base down here?
We framed out these for,
Oh, you made the face frames for the down below there.
for finishing, yeah.
And what else? What else? What'd you have to do to make though? What did it involve?
We had to cut out each piece and then use the drill. To,
The pocket jig.
The pocket jig to drill all the holes in the back, and then we screwed them in together.
All right, and then you did some. I saw that you were doing some sanding.
Yeah, we did some sanding, and then we used the finished screws to screw them in.
All right. And how about the moving crew over here? What'd you guys do today?
Move some cabinets out of here.
Yeah, we took out all the cabinets out of the tiny house, brought them back into the shop so we can do the paint job out here. Right? Good job, guys. You were involved, weren't you, in something? Yes, good job. All right. Well, that's a day. All right, we're covering the floor for paint. Keep up the good work, guys. You too. Okay, all locked up. Boom. Students were out here today cutting plywood panels for the furniture build. That's all picked up. Shop's all tidied up. Bench tops are clear. A lot of work today. A lot of work. Shop's all put back together. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. 5-hour day in the life of Mr. Burke. Always been cleared out. All the tools that we had in there earlier from our tool crib blow up. There's the new shelf the students built today. Good job, students. All the stuff put back together. A work in progress now. New cabinets gonna go along here. We're gonna get rid of that metal rack. Keep it going, keep it going. Tuesday afternoon, I call it. Obviously it's evening. Checking out. Kids got the floor ready to be painted, all covered up. furniture panels installed today. Fascia trim installed today. And when I say installed, I'm saying manufactured, put together, and installed. Okay. Busy day. We blew up the shop today. And we pulled everything out of the tool crib because we didn't know what the weather was going to be. Talking heavy rains and winds. So we thought we'd take advantage of being in the shop. So we pulled that together. Lock it up. Okay. High winds came through today. Blew some stuff around. Got it all tidied up. Locking it up.